Okay, let's look at question 3. You say that, okay, X is normally distributed with a mean of 30 and a standard deviation of 5. Okay, so now, and also given that the probability of X less than a number A is equal to 0.57. Okay, part A. They say using a diagram. Okay, they say using a diagram, determine whether A is greater or less than 30. Okay, now, so using a diagram, so we are going to draw a diagram. What diagram are we supposed to draw? We are going to draw the normal distribution bell-shaped curve, right? Okay, so the mean is 30. So now, the area here is probability, that is 0.5 left-hand side and 0.5 right-hand side, correct? And you have a look at this probability of X less than A is more than 0.5. Okay. Hello? All right. So you think A, yeah, you think A is less than 30 or more than 30?
Less than 30.
Okay, Winston said less than 30. Okay, Winston, if you say less than 30, then if I draw the curve here, this is 30. So my A is here.
Oh, wait.
And
I read the
you
wrong thing.
see the
It's more than
symbol.
30. Sorry, I read the sign.
Yeah, that's why you need a diagram to guide you. And you look at here, this is less than. So I have to shade the area to the right, to the left. Correct? So can this area be more than 0.5?
Oh. No.
Okay, so the answer is no. So you know your answer is wrong already. Correct? So that's why the question says use a diagram. So I know that A must be here. Correct? So that this area is 0.57. All right. So we know that A have to be greater than 30. Done for the first part. So next time, whenever you want to make decision for a value of the variable given the probability, so what you need to do, draw this bell shape, then you will know. Clear? Okay. So B, we are supposed to use technology to find A. Okay, so now, if given probability, if given probability, correct? If given probability, you want to find the value, of X, probability means 0.57 here, to find the value of X, what must we use?
INV norm.
Yeah, we must use. So that is how you think. Whenever you are in the exam, you have to think what is given to you, what you want to find. So we must use INV norm, inverse norm. Okay, can you please use that? I hope everyone know how to use inverse norm. Okay, you said you use inverse norm. Do you get the answer?
Yeah, I got the answer.
So what is the answer?
30.88.
30.88.
88.
Okay. Stephanie, can you confirm?
Miss, yep, I got 30.88 as well.
Yeah. So you know how to do, correct? So when come to this SAT, correct, very important, you must know what to do. Okay, so for part C, everyone should know, you should know how to get the answer, correct? Hello? Okay,
Yeah, pretty
Stephanie.
sure.
Yeah. Stephanie, since you answered Miss Do just now, can you please tell me how to get the answer for this one?
Using normal CDF.
Okay, you can use normal CDF, but in this case, do I need to use normal CDF?
No.
Can I go without?
Yes, you can use.
So I can also, I don't have to use, they say without using technology. So if the question say without using technology, correct, you use normal CDF, correct, that means I'm going to deduct your mark. So you have to show me that this is 1 minus 0.57, correct or not? Less than A is 0.57, the probability. So more than A, the probability will be 1 minus 0.57. So this will be 0.43. So how about number 2? X between 30 and A. Look, here is your bell shape. Here is your 30. Here is the A. This area is 0.43. So can you tell me how to get this area?
Take 0.57 minus 0.5.
Why 0.57?
Because you're taking the area of A minus the area of 30 to find the area in between.
So if I use 0.43, can I just use 0.5 minus 0.43? Can I?
Yeah,
Yeah.
both works, I guess.
So
Both works.
0.07.
Miss, we can do it both ways, right? We do 0.57.
Yeah, you can. But
Alright.
the faster way will be this, huh? Can or not? You can use 0.57 minus 0.5 minus. Can. You can also use 0.57 minus 0.5. Yes, you can also. Both are correct. Okay, so this is, so we can also set the question in such a way that we will ask you not using technology. You get me? Hello?
Yep.
Are you okay?
Yes, all good for this one.
Okay, so next. So can we go to question 4 in the next page? Okay, question 4, part A and part B, I believe you will know what to do, all right? So X, same thing like just now, X is normally distributed with the mean of 15 and the standard deviation of 3. So for part A and part B, shouldn't be a problem. Okay, let's look at part C. Okay, now, what is 15? 15 is the mean, correct? 15 is the mean, am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sometimes I don't give you this. I also can state this statement in a form of a statement. I say probability. I can also write in a form of statement. I say probability of K within K unit from the mean. I use the word within is 0.9. So this whole statement, you must learn how to translate into this one. So that is the meaning. So now, if I draw the bell shape for you to see, it will be like that. This is the mean, 15. When I say within, it means plus K, you go to the upper limit, minus K, you go to the lower limit. Clear? That is the meaning of within. So they give you that this area is 0.9. Get what I mean? The meaning of within. So it's symmetrical. It's symmetrical. Equal unit to the left, equal unit to the right. So that is the meaning of within. So now, how am I going to get the answer? Okay, if Miss Doe write this area as 0.05 and this area also 0.05. Do you know how I get the answer? Remember, it is always symmetrical.
0.9 plus 0.05 plus 0.05 make 1.
Okay, so if I don't give you 0.05, so how are you going to get this 0.05?
1 minus 0.9 divided by 2.
Yes, so that is what you are supposed to tell me. 1 minus 0.9 divided by 2. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, whoever give me the answer, yeah, you are getting the right thing, but the red one is what you're supposed to show it to me. Am I right? So you have to know how to calculate. Okay, so now, how am I going to get the value of K? So now, based on this diagram, okay, depend on what type of calculator you have. Okay, if you have the newest calculator, what you can do is, you can just straight away use inverse norm. Okay, the area, the mean, the standard deviation, and look, this one is at the center, correct? So you select center. Okay, you will have two numbers coming out from your calculator. Can I have that two number, please? This is the one with the new calculator, the one with the old calculator. Okay, we will talk about that afterward. Okay, can I have the answer?
10.065
Yes.
and 19.935.
Okay, 19.935. The lower one?
10.065.
10.065. Okay, so now, can you tell me 19.935, is it 15 minus K or 15 plus K?
Okay.
15 plus K.
Yeah, 15 plus K. So can you find K now?
Mhm.
Or you can use this one to find K also can, your choice. You will get the same answer. Got it? Okay. So those without, then what to do? You still remember your inverse norm? The area here, you always put area to the left, correct? Yeah. So we are going to choose this one. So I put in 0.05, comma 15, comma 3. So you will get 15 minus k equal to 10.065. So you can get your k here. You see or not? Hello? So remember, you only can use center if it is symmetrical. If it's not symmetrical, cannot. You get what I mean?
Yes, Miss.
Yep.
So in exam, I will not write this one for you. I will do like that. Okay, clear?
Yes, Miss.
Can I? So no problem, Can we move on to another question?
Yes, Miss.
Can I? So let's move to question 10. Okay, everyone have a look at question 10 and see how to solve this problem. I give you 5 minutes to solve. Can you get the answer? You need me?
No, almost done. Just need to check my answers.
Almost done. The rest, how are you?
I think.
Do you need my help?
I don't think so. Just give 2 more minutes.
Okay, someone need my help? Okay, those who need my help, you just have a look. Okay, as I discussed, they say, okay, go for running. So you have a variable X about the temperature, okay, which is normally distributed. Okay, the mean temperature is 20. degrees Celsius, and the standard deviation is 5 degrees Celsius, okay? So they get lower limit. So that means we talk about the lower limit is 11 degree. Okay, highest, we don't know. We let it be K. But she goes for a walk 95% of the time. So this means go for walk. Okay, so the probability is 0.95. Okay, so now if I draw the bell, this is the mean, 20, and this is 11. Okay, my K maybe is someplace somewhere here, and this area is 0.95. All right, so I just want to ask a question. Can you get this area? Are you able to get this area?
Yes.
Yes, we can get this area by finding the probability of T less than 11. Can you go to your calculator and find the probability? You're supposed to use normal CDF. Okay, can you get the answer? Okay, normal CDF, negative 10 to the power 99, 11. Okay, the mean is 20, the standard deviation is 5. So do you get this answer? 0.0359. Right? So in conclusion, can I say that probability of, okay, I purposely put it less than because of the nature of the old calculator. Okay, this probability will be equal to you plus 0.95, correct? So you get okay, 0.9859. 0.5859, correct? So you want to get K, you just use inverse norm 0.9859, comma 20, comma 5. Okay, do you get the answer? Okay, do you get 30.9724? So
Yeah.
it's approximately 31 degrees Celsius. Okay? Can or not? Good.
Yes.
Okay, huh? So any more question on that? Okay, if not, then we try to use, try to solve a question whereby we have to use the standard normal distribution that we learned yesterday. Okay, 8F.2. Okay, let's solve question 6. Okay, question 5 first. Question 5 first, then only we solve question 6. Can or not? Okay, give you 5 minutes to think about it. Okay, can you get? Okay. You need my help?
Wasn't sure answer the question.
This one you must use
Yeah.
standard score. You have to use standard score. You have no choice. So usually if I want to use standard score, I will draw 2 lines. One is for the variable, the income. Okay, normally distributed. The mean is 6100. The standard deviation, I don't know. Okay, so I will put 6100 here. So the next line is the standard score. For standard score, you will know the mean and the standard deviation. That is, the mean is 0, the standard deviation is 1. Okay, and here you put 0. So the question given that 600 is here. 6,000 is here. So 6,000 got the corresponding z-score called Z1. Am I right? Hello?
Yeah.
So I would say probability of X, they say income exceed. So greater than 6,000 is equal to 0.85. I also can say that probability of Z greater than Z1 is also equal to 0.85. Am I right? And I know that Z1 is equal to 6,000, take away the mean, divide by the standard deviation, correct? So now, my problem is I have to get my Z1 first. So how to get the Z1? You have to use inverse norm. Okay, 0.85. Do you know the mean for Z-score? Yes, 0. Do you know the standard deviation for Z-score? Yes, 1. And this is to the right. The other one, the other calculator, you have to put inverse norm because the area you're supposed to put must be always to the left of the value that you want to find. Okay, then you get your Z1. You put into here, then you can solve for your standard deviation. Can you? Do you understand how you go?
Yep.
Okay, no issue, huh? Okay, number 6, you try to do it by yourself first because I want to bring you to another one. Okay? Do I need to show you how to get Z1? I think Z1 you can. Okay, can someone give me what is the value of Z1?
96 point
Huh?
96.48.
How to be 96? Z-score wall.
Wait, what? Z score?
Vincent?
Oh, Z
Yeah.
score. Oh, negative 1.036.
Negative 1.036. So you put into here and you solve.
Yeah.
Negative 1.036 standard deviation is equal to negative 100. So standard deviation equal to, okay, you get the answer.
$96.52.
Okay. Hello? Can I? Okay. So now I want everyone to turn to page 248. Okay, solve question 9. Okay, can you
Oh, wait.
wait? This one you have to draw the two bell curve because they have two ends. Probability of too small. Too small, it means the diameter is less than 3.994. So you see, machine make things, the standard deviation is very small. So this is 0.04. So that means if I have the diameter, this one I got two unknown. I don't know the mean, I don't know the standard deviation. Okay, so I change to z-score. So now 3.994 is here. So I have to find the equivalent Z1. Okay, so you find your Z1 by using inverse norm. Okay, then you put in area to the left. Then the mean for Z-score is 0. The standard deviation is 1. Okay, so you get the answer.
Negative 1.75.
Negative 1.75. So negative 1.75 is the same as 3.994. Take away the mean of the diameter that I don't know, divide by the standard deviation, correct? So then you get the other side. So those who know how to do, you can do it very quickly. Those who don't know, you need diagram to help you, you better draw out. Probability of too big means the diameter is more than 4.006. So this one, the probability given is 0.05. Okay, So I draw my diameter 4.006. Then the z-score, I call it Z2. So to find my Z2, I have also used inverse norm. Okay, those who have the right, you can straight away key in 0.05. Those who don't have, you have to take away 0.05, comma 0, comma 1. Okay, can I have the value of Z2?
1.645.
1.645. So I write down the equation. 1.645 is equal to the value for the diameter. Take away the mean divided by the standard deviation. So you get 1.645 standard deviation equal to 4.006 minus mean. So this one, I also convert it to become negative 1.75 standard deviation equal to 3.994 minus the mean. So I take this equation minus this equation. Okay, so you take out the calculator. Okay, you get the answer. So I got 3.395 standard deviation is equal to, okay, 4.006 take away 3.994. I get 0.012. So standard deviation equal to 0.00353. So you see how precise is it? Things made by machine have a very small standard deviation. So now you can get the mean. So the mean will be equal to 4.006 minus 1.645 times by the standard deviation, you get the answer. I think the answer is 4, is it? 4.0001. All right. So the rest, you can use whatever you get, part B, and get the answer. So now can you tell me what is the use of z-score? Okay. Class, any question?
No, miss.
Okay, so we always go back to z-score if we don't have the mean and the standard deviation of a given normal distribution. So you have to use z-score to help you to solve it. Are you clear? So remember to find the probable, to find the mean or standard deviation of a given probability normal distribution, given the probability, you have to use z-score first. Then you have to make use of this formula. Are you clear?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
So afterward, during the next lesson, I'm going to round off this chapter. Then we are going to solve some question in your review set. Can or not? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, miss.
Oh, 1 hour passed so quickly, what the hell?
Yeah, definitely, because you are working hard, ma.
Bye, miss.
Bye.